FJVPS DMU is a digital manufacturing tool that utilizes 3D model data to support product design and workability verification, to improve the efficiency and quality of design and production preparation work. FJVPS uses a dedicated converter to convert 3D CAD data into lightweight data that is approximately 1/10 to 1/50 and import it. You can see the product design and workability verification functions using the lightweight FJVPS data. Using FJVPS data, which is lighter than CAD data, you can check the movement of the mechanical parts of the product and the assembly route. In that movement, verification using the dynamic interference check function is possible. FJVPS can simulate the verification of flexible products such as cables and wire harnesses with 3D data. Even those who have never used 3D CAD can verify the path and length of the harness with a simple operation. You can specify the route by simply clicking the part of the 3D model where you want to pass the harness. You can also create multiple type wires such as bundled wire and flat cable. In addition, the created harness can expand and contract according to the moving parts. You can check the cable length required when moving the most, and whether it will be pinched when it bends. It is possible to verify the operability and workability of products using human body models and tool models. You can use the human body model to check the visibility and the posture when operating. You can also check that the tools and hands can be operated without interfering with the surroundings. By verifying using a 3D model in this way, it is possible to improve the design quality before making a prototype. VPS DMU cooperates in front-loading, work efficiency, and quality improvement of product development work.
FUJITSU, shaping tomorrow with you.